guys, so today I have two packages. Both are really amazing. I'm gonna leave the biggest one for the end. I've already opened it, but I haven't pulled everything out yet. So I'm really excited to see that. Hope everything's in good condition. So the first one I'm gonna be doing is this excuse me, this one. And if I'm a little dry today, it's because my body is extremely sore from the extensive exercising that I've been doing lately. And it's like, why you don't exercise? You don't even look like it. I'm like, I know I don't. Oh my gosh. Anyways, the reason why I'm doing said exercise is because I'm actually in the process of enlisting in the Navy. So I actually just got my PICAT score back this morning. I literally scored well enough to do everything but the nuclear program, and I was like, oh, I want that program, you know. So I'm probably gonna end up taking the real ASVAB up in San Antonio, but I guess we'll see. So this first one, from what I remember, it should have, I think, some magazines, couple magazines, and a CD, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like I wasn't mistaken. Okay, let's see what we've got in here then. We've got a Fool's Mate. Beautiful, beautiful edition. I think I might have doubles of some of these magazines. I'm not really gonna look through them right now, like diligently. Just gonna set them over here for now, I guess. So that's the first one. Then we've got a show magazine with the, I believe this is the red PV look. We've got Nightmare on the back. This other one had LMC on the back, I think. And next one we have is an Arena Special. I know for a fact I have a double of this one because I had bought one from someone else, and when I was looking at it, I think they might have taken all the pages of Uraha out because I saw them all over, and I was like, when I bought it, I would have sworn they were posters. So I bought this one again just in case. So yeah. This one is amazing. I love that shoot. It's it kind of looks like a wedding dress shoot. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Oh, and as you can see, they're covered in dust because of the packaging. It's like, no problem. It's just a little dust. You can just wipe it off, right? And I get that all the time. I'm used to that, the dust. This one, we have got the Gazette. I don't know, this one, it's a bass/drums book. I don't know. I think it says produced by Gigs, so yeah, I'm assuming it's a Gigs magazine. Did I say bass? I said bass. I mean bass. The English language is weird, people. Forgive me. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm out of it because of my scores today. Oh, I was so anxious. I had a nightmare that I didn't do well. I got an 89, by the way. Which I guess would be fine and dandy, but I want to go into that nuclear program. They made it seem really amazing with good perks and stuff. So it's like, I guess I'm going to have to take the other one. And then I got this one, which I absolutely adore because the shoots are amazing. Like, they're so pretty, handsome, good looking, beautiful. I don't know. And last for this package, we have my CD. And this one is Undying, if I'm correct. Yeah. So I went ahead and got this copy of Undying because I really love this song. I think I have a regular edition one, but amazing. It's so beautiful. So not much variance aside from magazines, and that's also the main topic of this next box, which is extremely huge. It is weighing in at 24, 23 pounds. Yeah, so you can imagine that I might have dropped it once when I was bringing it inside. Just make sure that was all that was in here. I'm pretty sure it was. Okay. So this one's kind of heavy, so sorry for any camera instability. It's because, yeah. It's a huge box. Like, I can't even pick it up to show y'all, but it's huge. Well, I can move the camera. Hold on. Ta-da! My bed's a mess. It's a big box. See if I can put that back the right way. Oh, there we go. Okay, so first we have these. They're so beautiful. If I can open it, I will gladly show you which ones they are. And I know I posted this one on my Instagram, just more or less being like, hey, look at, part of my order, right? Because I didn't want to give it all away, but I'm one of those people who is like super excited and wants to show everybody. Like even my family who don't even care, and they're all like, you're so weird. And I have some more packages coming in, several, like 3 coming in from 4 or 5 coming in from CD Japan. I need to check to see if the postcard's in the front still. It's still attached. Oh my gosh, thank you, Lord. No offense to anyone. Sorry about taking the words in vain. I did go to a religious school, so even now I'm still like, I don't say oh my god, I say oh my gosh, and it's like, to each their own with religious preferences. I think each religion can have something good to teach, but anyways, this isn't about religion. I don't know what I was saying. Anyways, so yeah, I posted that part, but there's actually another set of Rock and Read magazines that I have to show y'all. This one. It also has the card in the front. Oh, I'm so excited. And this one, I will tell y'all, this one was a steal. This one I actually got 16 Rock and Read magazines for $30, which, well, it was 3,000 yen, so it was like 27 US dollars approximately. Oh my gosh. This one also has the card in the front. And they're in like almost like perfect condition, I can see. This one I might not keep. I don't know who this is. I'm sorry, but I do not know who this is. Oh, well, it's got Kamijo inside, so I guess I have to keep it. Oh, that one just has a postcard as well. We got some Kai. And I was so happy when I got these. I literally just wanted one, but since I don't have any of the others, like I had one of them at one point, 2 of them at one point, and I sold them because I was so low on cash, but we got another one with Kai on there. The reason why I ended up getting these was because I wanted one, and then I was like, oh wait, they're selling all of them for $30? Frick, yeah. This one also has the postcard inside. And we have this one. Someone from Alice 9. I love Alice 9, but I'm not super into them. Unfortunately, I like a couple of their songs, but I'm not like a huge fan, so I wouldn't be able to tell you like who's who really. This one also has a postcard. Is this show? Someone tell me, is this show? I'm sorry if it's not, I'm so bad. I've tried. It's like, cause that's my #1 band, so it's like anybody else I have trouble, except for like Versailles, Jupiter, a couple other bands. I mean, Diora, I love Diora, but even then I still need to work on like remembering who's who. I know Yoka is the lead singer, Kei is the guitarist. I don't remember the bassist's name or the drummer's name. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. And this one has Ruki on the cover. I love it. He looks so comfortable there. Like, his sweater looks adorable. This one also has the postcard in the front. So that's the Rock and Reads from that batch. And I think there's another one in here, but I don't know where it is. That's the sound of bags. My seller, buyer, shopping service. always uses bags, so it's like bags and bubble wrap, as you can see. Which, I mean, it works out pretty well. Anyways, he always leaves little messages and it's so cute. I love it. If I can get this bag off, I will... Whoops, I tore the message. No, I will gladly show y'all what's in here. Okay, so next we have more Rock and Read magazines. So like I said, I think it's 16 total. Okay, so I have this one, Rock and Read with Uroha on the cover. This shoot was amazing. I actually pre-ordered this one when it first came out and ended up having to sell it. It has a card in the front because of money troubles again. Yeah. This Rock and Read with Aoi on the cover. And, oh, he's on the back too. And it does have the card inside. I'm guessing all of them have the card inside. That is freaking awesome. Like, it's amazing. Ooh, a really old Rock and Read with Aoi on the cover. I don't think this one came with the card. I think this one's too old, right? Then we got this old one with Ruki in the cover. Oh, he's so adorable in the back with his dog. Aww. And then, this is the one I wanted, guys. This was the one I was looking for. I love this shoe. I love his hair. I have a thing for guys with long hair, and his hair is just gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh. And I don't know if this one's supposed to come with a card, but it doesn't. Which makes me kind of sad. But if it's not supposed to come with one, then I mean, okay. If it is supposed to come with one, well then, my heart's broken. Anyways, that is the one I wanted. He's absolutely gorgeous there. And I've got this one with Rayata on it. This one doesn't have a card. Not sure if it's supposed to come with one, but yeah. What is this? I don't know who this is. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know who anybody is anymore. This one doesn't have a card either. Like, I still don't know if that one's supposed to have one or not. And then this last one. This one. I don't know who that is. I don't think I listen to them. And it doesn't have a card. Not sure if it's supposed to, but it looks old like the other ones, so I don't think so. And that is it for the Rock and Read magazines. Let's see what else we have in this package. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just gonna reach for a knife. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Because these are like super taped on. So here we got a thing of magazines. Let's see. Gonna use the trusty knife again. Okay. So first up we have this Shaw magazine. It's so beautiful, oh my gosh. And I don't know if these have the posters in them or not, but either way, I love it. It's gorgeous. I will treasure it forever. And the reason why I have several packages coming in, why I've spent so much money, is because, you know, I'll be leaving for boot camp soon, so it's like I'm gonna miss all of these things and all my cat. like my child. I'm gonna miss him so much. And I just decided to go all out. At this point, I'm like, you know what? Let's just do it. Got some posters. And these are actually, it's double-sided, hard to see. Let me just show you a brief. There's another poster. And another poster. This one's the really big one. I actually had it up on my wall. So this is the second copy I have of this one. We'll probably end up selling it, or, yeah, because at this point I have bought so many magazines and poster sets that it's like I'm bound to have some doubles. We have this one. It's a Reina special. And if you hear crying, it's my cat. And then, oh my gosh, this Cure magazine. I love this look. It's the Rayla PV look. It is so beautiful. They were absolutely gorgeous. Then there's this Cure, which I love as well because I love the look. Gonna move the box over for putting stuff. Yeah. And last but not least, in this magazine lot is this show with the Rayla look as well. Okay, let's see what's next. I think I'm gonna need that handy knife again. Okay, there we go. So this is probably gonna be, I don't know what this is gonna be, but some pamphlets. So I've got some pamphlets, probably that magazine that I was talking about where they cut out the pages and I didn't realize it because I'm dumb. Use the knife again. Okay, so first we have this one. It's the Nameless Liberty Six Guns pamphlets. This one I actually don't have. Well, I think whatever pamphlets I buy, it's because I don't have, I hope. Anyways, I really I'm trying to work on getting my pamphlet collection up a little bit, so that explains why I bought so many, as well as magazines. Okay, so very simple pamphlet. Next we have what I'm assuming is a lot of posters, but we'll see. I think this is all posters, I'm not quite sure. I don't even know where to open this from. Just gonna have to, yeah. There we go. Oh, wonderful. Ta-da! Holy crap, I don't know how many I got. A lot, apparently. This one's gonna be a big one for sure. So there's that one. There's this one. There's this one, which has the Gurren PV look, which I absolutely adore. I actually have it on my credit card now. There's this one. Repeated Countless Error, I believe. There's this one. And this one. Oh, my back is killing me. This one. So quite a bit of posters, which is awesome. I can't wait till I come back and can buy my own house and put these wherever I want. That's gonna be exciting. Silly got disco look, I love it. I think that's a cockroach look. And another one of these. So that's 3 copies of this one poster. Okay then. Let's see, what's next? This pamphlet. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so happy. I can't wait to look through all this stuff. And I have a quickly accumulating pile of cash on that side of the bed. This pamphlet, which I have been looking for forever. Now I finally have the set of the 3. Oh, I'm so happy. And then this magazine that they totally like ruined. If you ask me, it's a ruin. It's just like cutouts, and I'm glad. I'm so glad now that I bought the magazine, because as you can see, it's literally just cutouts of that magazine. See? This is cruel. But now I can pin them to the wall. So it's actually pretty neat. And they threw in this little photo card. Yay. Okay, so that's it for those that I pulled out. I think we've got 1 batch left, which would be this batch. And as you can already see, there is a show file in there. Okay, so first up from this one, we've got Stacked Rubbish Pulse Wriggling to Black O2, which, as you can see, is mostly black. So there's that one. I'll shove the box over there. Trusty knife. And there's these 2. I believe it's 2. Yep. Ta-da! There's one. And this is the second one. And then we have got then we've got this magazine. Oh, I love it. always does that. I'm not sure if y'all can actually hear him or not, but whenever he cries, he puts his mouth closer to the door, and it, like, the sound is magnified. He's just too smart. Okay, so we've got the magazine that goes with the poster. I mean, the poster that goes with the magazine. And here's the magazine that goes with the poster. I love this one. It was like a holy grail for the longest time. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And they also threw in an arena card. Sticker. Sticker? Card? Sticker. It's a sticker. Let's see, what else do we have here? We've got this one, which is in used condition, which, I mean, I don't mind too much. Oh, so that's how it is. Okay, so this one's really interesting. All this time I thought it was a hardcover, and it's actually not. It's pretty cool though. And from what I can tell, this is the last one. It is the show file. Second edition, I have the first one. I was just missing this one. I finally decided to buy it. After putting it off for a really long time, I was like, you know what? Let me start practicing YOLO since I'm going to be leaving. And who knows if I'll make it back. Hopefully. So as you can see, it's got the same body as the other one. You open it from the side. It's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I think that is it for those two packages. Now I can show you the size of the box some more. Yeah, that's everything. Okay. Okay, so that's it for today's unboxing video. I will be getting another package tomorrow that has like 20-something magazines in it. So can't wait to see what those hold. And I'll go ahead and see you next time then. Bye!